President Bola Tinubu is currently in Ogun State for his first official state visit after being sworn in on May 29, 2023. Tinubu arrived Dipo Abiodun International Stadium in Ijebu-Ode in the morning of Thursday, 29th of June. He was received by Governor Dapo Abiodun, former Governor Segun Osoba, and other dignitaries. The president arrived Ogun in company of his Chief of Staff, Femi Gbajabiamila, the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, and the Special Advisor on Special Duties, Communication and Strategies, Dele Alake. Tinubu was at the Palace of Awujale and the paramount ruler of Ijebuland, Oba Sikiru Adetono. He would thereafter move to Abeokuta for another meeting with the Alake of Egbaland, Oba Adedotun Gbadebo, in his Ake Palace. What do you think about Tinubu's motorcade?